Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Dry Creek Elementary School in Clovis, California, part of the Clovis Unified School District. It's my first time here at their school, home of the Panthers, and we got to have 3 different assemblies today. One for grades 1 and 2, one for grades 3 and 4, and the third one for grades 5 and 6. Right here in the MPR in their multi-purpose room. And the main focus for today's programs was all about bullying and looking at someone's heart first, right? To even see ourselves for that too. And I love what I see all across the school campus, very big elementary school, but what's so cool is they always talk about their Panther pride. And they got expectations, not just here in the lunchroom, but in the hallways, by the bathrooms, classrooms, etc. They're talking about being respectful, being responsible, and being safe. And that really tied into today's theme because it's all about respect. It's all about having this responsibility and making a safer place for everyone by showing that kindness, right? By thinking about how we want to be remembered, our legacy, peace, and really just trying to go and live that, right? Not just as the older students being those role models and thinking about what we're going to do before we transition to the next school, but it's also, even at a young age, really thinking that, hey, we can make a difference through our words, through our actions, through our thoughts. And so we talk about how our heart, as big as our fist, right? If we let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign. One finger being ourself, the other for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also 2 because in just 2 seconds, right? 1, 2, 1 word, 1 heartbeat, 1 breath, 1 action, 1 text, 1 tweet, social media, virtually or in person, whatever it is, we can either uplift somebody higher than the clouds, higher than ourselves, or we can cut someone so deep by saying something mean that it stays in their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. And we know that we have this power and it only takes 2 seconds, right? So hopefully we're choosing to show that kindness, choosing to show that love, and being that change that Gandhi talks about, right? Be the change you want to see for this world. And he says you must be the change, that it's not even a choice, right? Showing that kindness, that's our responsibility, right? Being responsible again, right? That's our responsibility as human beings to really go and show that to everybody around us. Further, we need to get past any current hurt or pain in our lives, because when it comes down to it, right, unless we are fully in for this planet, for this earth, and are fully healed, then we can't really be helping others around us. So I talk about the biggest reason that bullying happens being hurt people, right? That if somebody hurts me, the easy thing to do is go hurt someone else, push that pain on them. The hard thing to do is to forgive. So yes, it's true that hurt people, which is a choice, but it's also true, if we can let this love fully enter our heart, it's also true that healed people heal people. And to know that we can become those people, turn our pain into greatness, rise above the hate, that we rise by lifting others. That's what this is really about, right? To know that we have that power to make a huge, huge impact on the lives all around us. If we just keep our hearts open. Not always easy to do, but once we get past that, then we say, look, we understand that we can go out, no matter what's happened to us or will happen to us or is currently happening to us, and go and choose that type of love every day. I love they have this board right here. Today is a good day to fill in the blank, right? Be kind, to just give it your all, to help someone out. I mean, that's what we're trying to do with this Panther Pride is, respecting everybody around us, including everyone around us. And so many students came up to me after today's talk and said something really touched their heart. And if something did touch their heart, that means they have a big heart. And now it's up to them to go and share that gift by how they choose to treat themselves and others. And so many said, Mr. Peace, my friend said this that was mean, or my friends wouldn't include me. And I said, if they're true friends, right, then they would be including you and seeing your worth, right, and not excluding you. And so sometimes we have to think to ourselves, there's a lot of opinions out there. Not all of them matter. What matters is what you believe, and that we also believe this too. That our true friends will see us for this as well, that we all, with the lines on our hands, have the letter M on our palms, at least one on each hand. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. And that M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt. Upside down W for worthy, that we are all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And when we start to understand our own value, right, our own worth, that we can go help others see that too. People that have never been told that or need a reminder, right? We can be that light to their heart. And so many students got that today, right? That yes, they've been through some tough things, some of them at such a young age, right? But now they can go help someone else that's going through that same storm, right? Rainbows only appear after storms happen, right? And so to think that we can still keep that positive attitude, that positive mentality, to know that we can still look to our Panther pride expectations of being respectful, being responsible, being safe, then we can make this campus a very loving one, right? A very inclusive one. And that's why I love too, they have so many other signs all around the school saying you are loved, that you are valued, and we know that we are here at Dry Creek. So thank you all for touching my heart. Keep sharing your hearts, keep shining your light and your love. Hope to see you again soon. Until then though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.